Hey guys, today we are going to be testing out a viral lash hack. So these lashes, they are $1 from one of the cheap 1-2-3 Asian dollar shops, and we are going to be turning them into beautiful Lush lashes that would cost you normally like $20 to $40. I thought, what? I've been wasting all my money this time. So we're going to be turning these lashes into expensive Lush looking lashes. Like these ones here, they are horrible. I wanted to test it out on like the worst lashes I could find. Like this is just so thick, it would literally look like a band of lash. So we're going to see with that one, and then these lashes are quite popular, the like style. So this is going to be super fun and exciting seeing if it actually works. So what we're going to do is take this spoolie here, and apparently all you do is like just brush it through. I don't know if it will actually work on these ones, so it'll be interesting to see. I'm just gonna kind of like go crazy. There's actually like a little bit of pigment coming off these lashes as well. I don't know how safe I feel putting these on my eyes. They're becoming like a little bit fluffier. I wouldn't say they're like a wispy lash this style though. So it'd be interesting to see if we can do it on the other style. Maybe it's more for like the piecey kind of lashes. Maybe if I feel like this is just crazy. Like the stuff people come up with these days is so fun to play with. I don't know if you guys would have seen the nose hair extension video that I did, but that is still to my day one of my favourite videos that I filmed. This looks like it could come in really handy if it works. I mean, you can see there, it literally looks so much better already. So this lash here, this one is the lash that we're doing. It looks so much more fluffier, but I think with the style, because it's just such a thick style, it isn't going to work as well. So I'm hoping with these lashes here it'll look a lot better. But like literally this went from like -15 to at least a 3. I think we've got those lashes as good as they're going to get, so let's get onto these lashes here. We'll leave those there to rest. I don't think the lashes are enjoying this. They're like, what are you doing to me? You're destroying me. Oh, this looks so much better. Okay, this style is way better to play around with rather than the other ones. Get in there. Ooh. Oh yeah, this looks way better. What a cool hack. If there's any other hacks that you guys want me to test out, leave a comment down below because I am really enjoying this. I love it! Oh, I've kind of like destroyed the packaging. But as you can see, that's those ones there. And if you compare, it's those ones. So they definitely work. Like this hack definitely works. Whether you would want to pay a couple of extra bucks and get something that you really like though, or do this hack is up to you. We're going to put the lashes on my eyes now so you guys can see the difference between the two. So as you guys can see, my left eye, which is the fluttery lash, looks a little bit more volumized from here to here. I would never ever wear these eyelashes out in person though, like, they're kind of like slugs on my face. So there's a lot more volume here. And then this is literally just straight. Like, it literally looks like I've got eyeliner on and no lashes. And I couldn't actually curve it into the eye properly there. So that's probably just the quality of the lash. But I love the fluffier, like, back combed side a whole heap more. Would never buy these lashes ever again though, this style. No, not for me. You can see those little sluggy eyes. They just don't look that great. I really wanted to try this style though, because everyone keeps saying that everyone keeps trying the same types of lashes and they're all lashes that can work with it. So I decided to try these because when I looked at them in the packet I was like, no, this isn't gonna work. This cannot work. But it did. Like, I'm actually surprised it did a little bit. Obviously not much, as you guys can tell, between the two eyes. But there's definitely a bit more volume there. So what we'll do, we'll swap over now and we'll try on the lashes that are a lot more wispy. And it definitely worked for the next lashes. And this here is the second lash. I would actually wear these. They're quite pretty eyelashes. And they only cost $1, so I'm happy with that. You can see this here, this here. This eye here is the eye that has the fluttery lash, so the one that we like back combed. It has a lot more volume and a lot more wispiness to it. But with this eyelash here, you can see it's a lot more flatter, not as much volume or wispiness compared to that one there. Ooh, this is quite cool. I probably would, in all honesty, because I'm a bit lazier, just buy lashes that look like this because they're generally only a couple of dollars more for like a better pair. The only thing I'm unsure of is how long it would hold the wispiness of the lash. So I'm just thinking this is probably a bit bad, but what you could do is make them all wispy, spritz them with a tiny bit of hairspray, just a tiny bit, and let it completely dry overnight or something, and then use them, and that may hold it, but I'm not entirely sure how long they would hold for otherwise. Leave a comment down below if you have any ideas of any other hacks that you want me to try, and please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Have a great rest of your day, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye!